So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to tell you about how to generate a QR code in Python. First of all, you have to install two modules, that is first is pyqrcode and second one is pypng. With the help of these modules we can generate a QR code. So I'm just installing this pyqr code and then I have to install pypng module with the help of pip command. Then I added one more shell and import these module. First one is import pyqr code and second one is then I will define a function named as qr and select a variable named as s. It can be any variable you can choose, and then I write a statement like this is a tutorial for pyqr code. Then I define another variable named as d and using the module I will import and create function which create the QR code, that is pyqrcode dot create s. Then I will change it into png format, that is d dot png, and this png function took two parameters. That first one is the name of that file and second one is the scale, and I choose the scale as 7. Then I write a command print code executed successfully to check that the code is working or not. Then at last I will call this function using qr parenthesis, and then I run this program. So here I get code executed successfully, and then I go to file section. Then I go to show file browser section, and here is my pyqr code png file, and then I have downloaded it. Now I will open it and show you. If someone wants to scan this code, and you can scan this code and then check this, then this code contains that is this is a tutorial for pyqr code. You will get this string or this line if you